If you have acreage or livestock, fences are always on your mind. Running a new fence over miles of acreage might take a bit of planning, but with some quick tips, you can get it done in no time and ensure that it's straight. Let's see how it's done. Materials you might need include barbed wire, field fencing, horse fencing, hog wire, electrical fence wire, metal T-posts or wooden posts, a post pounder, fence stretcher, fence pliers, crowbar, gloves, and plenty of help. We're going to install T-posts and simple field fencing. Sometimes old school is the best way to go. We'll start by tying wire from one corner to the other. Make sure it's tight. That wire is how the guys will keep the fence straight. They'll start by setting the fence posts in the corners every 45 feet. They will come back and install T-posts every 15 feet in between the wood posts. Here's a coastal tip. Before you get started, make sure to space your H-braces every 400 feet. Right now, they're just installing the wood posts with the wire running on the inside of the area. The posts should just barely touch the wire before being pounded into the ground. Adjust as needed before getting them pounded all the way in. The type of fencing you want to install plays a big role in the kind of posts you'll need. The folks at Coastal can help. Look down along our new line. We can see that it's straight. We're ready for the wire. Depending on what you're trying to keep in or out, you should install 3 or more lines of wire. To make sure the fencing is tight and won't sag in just a couple of years, the installers used a fence stretcher. To use one, open it up, connect the wire on one end and the fence corner to the other, and start pulling it tight. The slack wire is then used to secure the tightened fence. You might need to tighten your wire on both ends. Your Northwest owned and operated Coastal has miles of fencing, loads of wood and metal posts, and all the bits and pieces you need to get your fence whipped into shape. While you're there, check out the workwear, the boots, the hats, and the fashion wear. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.